Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's PTG on the mic. Today we're going to be talking about top 8 guitar tape symbols. These are the main ones. Okay, welcome back. Okay, so quick one. Let's go quick on them. So when you slide up, let's say you're from this fret here and you are sliding up. This is a slide up. So when it's a slide down, it's we have a hammer on. Hammer on is when you we have pull-offs where you go. We have vibrato. And then we have harmonic. Harmonic is when, let's say for example we are playing this note here, then you're harmonizing with this one. But harmonic, it's a big topic, we'll cover that one. And then mute. You don't press fully, put your full force on the fret. You just, hold the note a little bit. You don't press it until the fret. Then we have bendings. When you bend, it will be written on the tab like you are bending from which fret or which note to which note. But a bending goes like this. You bend a string until you reach the note you want to reach. So I hope this video was helpful. So in the next video, we're gonna be talking about how to read tabs. Then from there, we're gonna be moving, guys. Thank you very much. To those who think maybe they have some few questions, they can just go in the comment section or straight on my WhatsApp or even on my Facebook page. Thank you, guys. To those who haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.
Masla, messing in my pasta. Get the youths messing in my rasta. The Pindira Champion League. So, I'm a shower and the one bada.